Hey, glad you could make it. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect acai bowl. Come on in. Hi, my name is Mccaffray. I'm from Encinitas, California, and I'm a SAMBAZON Surf Ambassador. This is how I make my favorite acai bowl. I start with 2 SAMBAZON frozen Açaí Packs, then half a cup of mango, 1 frozen banana, and a 1/4 cup of coconut water. And then I blend it all up. Perfect consistency. And then I add my favorite toppings. And that's how you make the perfect acai bowl. SAMBAZON Açaí. Happiness is homemade.